right when you walk in, the lights are already on. Here are the light switches. The door is right here, and my butt is bumping the door. I have no extended anything on. It is exactly as you see it. Okay, right here, we actually have our closet. Feels spacious. Top. Lots of room here to hang things. Probably need a few more hangers. Here we have our cabinet. It has one big drawer. Let me kind of wave this thing to open. All right, we have one big drawer, one for the safe. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nice big safe. We'll shut that cabinet for now, and let's check out the bathroom. In the bathroom, it is nice and tight. You have your toilet. Remember, it makes that funny loud noise when you flush it. We have a shower. That's extremely small, but it does the job. You have a small clothesline, a fixed shower head, and you have the hot, the cold, the knob that turns it on. You also have your shampoo and your body wash. All right, now we'll work our way around. I'm gonna step out. We have 3 shelves on the left, 2 more glasses in here. You have lotion, which is great, and hand soap and a pump, which is great because I usually bring my own. A nice small sink, a place for bar soap if you have it. You have your toilet paper, sanitary disposal. You have a trash can right there, and you have Kleenex right there. All right, nice mirror, adequate bathroom. Place to shave and plug in your razor. All right. All right, from here, you do have a full-length mirror right in front of the closet to do your twirls, which I love. And it's a lot better to show you the closet when we have a light. Plenty of space there. But I am gonna open, well, I would open the bathroom door, but my husband's in there right now, to show you how far it can swing out to show you. Probably to the end of this cabinet, just to let you know. And there went the light. All right, we're coming into the bedroom. And there's a nightstand there with 2 drawers. We'll open one. Nice. We have a space right here too to put things like your books, your reading glasses. You can tell my age, can't you? You have a lamp right there. You turn off and on. And I will say that this is showing dated and wear and tear. Down at the bottom, you have the automatic light that comes on. You have a giant mirror right there. Bed, king size, but you also have your thermostat, basic, all the way down, thermostat. And is it on a swivel? No, it is not. It does have an HDMI cord, and it also has a, looks like USB cord that you could plug in, and that is the door. And then remember, I have no, I'm not zoomed in or anything like that. Does the room feel small? Yes, without the couch, but it's really all you need. Nice big bed. You have another nightstand on this side with an automatic light down there. You have the same 2 drawers and a nice space there. You have your remote. Again, I'm seeing a hair right there, which is a little disgusting. I'll wipe up. You can turn this off and on, showing again dated wear tear. And a little desk right here. There's no drawer underneath. You have a chair, a waste basket. Nice, small, cute desk. Down here, plenty of deep shelving. Let's see how far back. Oh, pretty far. So that's nice. You also have a phone. You have your light switches here, on, off. You have 2 American 110s, and you have a hair dryer right here. All right, you also have your mirror right in front of there where you could either do your makeup or look at yourself while you work. Over here we have the refrigerator. It doesn't feel hot yet. Let's Check this out. Ooh, that feels extremely warm in there too. So let's make sure that's turned to as cool as it can be. I'm not sure what's the coldest, but I will ask my room attendant. That's for sure, because it feels extremely not cold at all. It does have a vent over there, it looks like, so maybe it doesn't get as warm as some people have said. We have my lemon drop. We also have 2 glassware that I did not have to ask for. It's already here. Also this glass table as well. Really, it's just in the way, to be honest with you, being that this room is not huge. This is where they used to have the big chunky TVs, and you also have 2 more American 110 plugs. Let's see if this does anything. No, looks like they just covered up what used to be there. So it is extra storage space, but to be honest, I would rather have more room space and have this big chunky thing, to be honest. This big chunky thing just taken out and just have the extra room. All right, we are going to look at our small balcony, not extended. And you have my husband over there. You want to wave, Ryan? Waved with a Miller.
Hello.
Hello. All right, I will say she is showing her wear, which I did know. But that's okay. All right, here's the door. You really, really have to pull it. I'm a pretty strong girl, but you have to pull it. Okay. Look at that blue. Step over that lip, don't forget. All right, oh, okay. Goes out a little more here than I expected it to, so that's nice. To be honest, the balcony is a little larger than I thought it was gonna be. Old things like rust, all this kind of stuff. But the balcony is a little longer than I thought it was gonna be, so I'm very happy about this. And this is actually in way better shape than I expected. So that's really good news. I like that. Very happy with that. This is beautiful for Lauderdale. There's Celebrity Beyond, a cargo ship going out. So pretty. And we're gonna be going out right there. When we were on the Celebrity Apex last year, we came right out of this side. And we looked over at this Princess cruise ship. That's what's funny. And then we go out that way. So that today we'll go out, well, we'll go around and then go that way. Because I think, yeah, that's the aft of the ship. And this is the bow of the ship, because there's the bridge. So we might bump, and then go like that. All the way bumping my neighbor's balcony wall. And it's more spacious than I expected, so I'm happy about that, this part. I thought it was gonna be real tight when you come out, but it's not. And these are nice. They have little ottomans underneath as well. And the table's in pretty good shape. So I'm happy about that, because this is where Ryan and I will spend most of our time. We even have a space over there. And we have that tinted blue here. And it's pretty big. So I'm excited about the width and the length of this, to be honest with you. And Princess Blue, of course, in there. And this is the bow of the ship, where the bridge is. And that's the aft of the ship. And then looking below the room, I always like to show everybody, is below us. We are on deck 14, Riviera 601, and that is below us. And from our eyesight, or our sight line rather, you can see straight out in front of you. You do not see any obtrusing balconies or anything that would be in the way. You literally see the beautiful ocean. That's one thing I was concerned about. And then we are covered by deck 15, Lido deck, above us. And it should be the front of the Lido marketplace. That is actually over our room. Probably where the hand washing station is, I would assume. But the space here is really, really nice. I'll walk over here and show you a little bit more. And now I'm back in this corner. And it feels nice and spacious. And these will go all the way back in just a minute. But yeah, covered by this. Yes, it's dated and rusty and ugly, but that's what the sea does. But it's covered, and it'll be nice and cool, especially when the wind blows.
Sorry to my ex, you deserve more. Sorry to my ex-boss, but I'd rather stay poor. Well,
On the notice. on your stateroom door. Just before you start watching the Safety Essentials video, and on Safety Essentials on your personal mobile device. And connect both buckles. Detailed instructions can be found on the safety notice on your stateroom door. Special life jackets are available for children and infants, and if these have not been provided, please ask your stateroom steward.
Know what to do in the case of an emergency. Your life jacket is in a clearly marked location. You can also find your assigned muster station in the Princess app. If you haven't already, please check in at your muster station after watching this video. After that, you'll be all set to sail. Your ocean medallion will be used as your stateroom door key, your ID when boarding the ship, and
Okay, we've started sail away here on the Emerald Princess in Fort Lauderdale at Fort Everglades. There's the Jungle Queen going by. Ryan, what would you say this is your favorite place to go out of? Is Miami your favorite?
Probably Miami.
Probably Miami.
I'm not 100% sure though.
I think it's easier, port-wise and airport-wise, for sure, at Miami than Fort Lauderdale. I never thought I'd say that. Okay, so verify the door. You can put your privacy on. Okay, you could ask for by pushing service stateroom. Lord, we are like the worst.